every corner in me. There's your presence that crown. Maybe I need to read more, be saying how I feel, but I didn't mean it before. I want you to the bone. I want you to take me home. I'm falling. Love me long. I'm rolling, losing control. Body and soul, meant to for sure. I'm already yours. Hold you down. I'm all in. Hold you tight. You're calling. I'll take control. Your body and soul, meant to for sure. I'm already yours. Will that be alright? Hey, will that be alright? I want you to the bone, so that I can breathe. I want you to the bone. Of all the ones that paid to stay, I'm still longing for you. Of all the ones that cried to wait, I'm still waiting on you. Maybe we seek for something that we call the never ends, but maybe we choose the only love we know we wanna see. Or maybe we're talking all the risk for something that is real. 'Cause maybe the greatest love of all is who the eyes can see. Take me home, I'm falling. Love me long, I'm calling, losing control.